Millennials have spent more time looking at themselves than any generation before them. And it's no secret that the internet has really fueled this shift in trend. With platforms like Instagram and Facebook becoming more and more popular, millennials have endless amounts of information as well as aesthetic inspiration. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what treatments and procedures millennials are flocking to. Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and I'm a patient care coordinator here at Reflections, and today we're going to be talking about the interesting relationship between millennials and the cosmetic industry. Also known as Generation Y, millennials are born between the years of 1981 and 1996 and are now between the ages of 24 and 39. Now, millennials are willing to spend time and money on their health and appearance, but they're also willing to share those experiences, and not only with friends and family, but with the internet as well. So starting with the ever popular injectables. Now, one type of injectable that millennials absolutely love is filler. Now, whether it's a Kylie Jenner pout or the even more popular chiseled jawline, fillers provide the instant gratification that millennials look for. When they want something, they want it and they want it now. And I think filler does just that for them. Now, I think it's really important, especially with fillers, to have a provider that's going to have an honest and open conversation with you. Now, although you may want to look like that selfie image of your favorite celeb, it might not be realistic. And always keep in mind that these selfies are heavily edited, and sometimes those exaggerated features don't look so great in person. In the past, cosmetic procedures have been used to kind of turn back those hands of time just a little bit. But now millennials are really the first generation who are trying to stop that clock entirely. One way that they're doing that is taking advantage of Botox. Starting younger means that Botox can do that much more for you. In terms of anti-aging, preventing wrinkles and fine lines from forming in the first place, whereas in the past, people would come in with fine lines and wrinkles and then want to be treated. Now, it really is beneficial to prevent those things from ever happening, but while people are in those younger years, they can get other benefits from Botox as well, such as a brow lift or even a lip flip. So it's really cool that millennials are taking advantage of all that Botox has to offer. Besides injectables, millennials are loving non-invasive skin treatments. Millennials want a result without the downtime. So for example, Clear and Brilliant is a perfect millennial treatment. Little to no downtime and a procedure that will be able to improve pigment and texture both at the same time. Millennials have a busy work, school, and family life, and they just don't want to stop their daily activities, and Clear and Brilliant is a perfect way to get results without having to do that. Another popular treatment is microneedling, and especially popular for those of you that are looking to erase the acne scars from your teen years. Now, it can be overwhelming, and there's a lot of information and available treatments out there, so although those two are really popular, it's important to have a consultation with your provider to find which one is perfect for you. Last but not least, millennials love skincare. Anytime you log on to any kind of Instagram or Facebook platform, you see some sort of celebrity either selling a product or some sort of influencer sharing their daily skincare routines. Millennials have really flocked to sustainable and natural products, but really what's important and what we love to tell our patients is what the ingredients are. Now, more so than the fancy packaging or whoever's representing the product celebrity-wise, is what ingredients you're using and what they're doing for you. Scientifically proven ingredients are going to give you the results more so than a pretty package will. And understanding that and understanding your skin is really going to make a big difference on what type of routine you're using and when you're using what. Now, everybody's so different, and here at Reflections, we love to customize routines for our patients, and we love to educate them on what skincare actually is, and that skincare shouldn't be scary, and it really shouldn't be expensive or overwhelming either. So I'm really excited that Millennials are headed in the right direction, and if any of our patients need help in that area, we're here. Overall, the Millennial generation has certainly had quite the impact on the cosmetic industry, and the idea I think we should really take home from this is that it's really important to have a provider who is able and wants to be honest with their patients, to be able to set realistic expectations and really realize that some of those Photoshop images are really not reality, and that in order to create a real result for a real person, we have to be honest about that.